Hey guys, here's a real quick video on how to set the defaults for your printer. First step, you want to go into your little Windows symbol and you want to go up to the Devices and Printers. Once you're in the Devices and Printers, you find your printer. You right click and go down to Printing Preferences. Once you're in here, you can change everything you need to change. So here is where your page size is. If you go in here and you edit, you want to make sure this is on the continuous fixed length. Right here is where your width is. Most common size is the 5/8, so that's why we put it in here 0.63. Again, most common size about 2 3/4 inches, so we make it 2.65. You OK that. When you go into your graphics, it should always be none. Stock, you want to put it on the thermal transfer and continuous. And right down here, you want to make it as none. When you go to your options, you want to put this at about 2 inches per second. Doing it this way, the slower the speed, the better the quality. And for your darkness setting, you just click on this bar and it'll take you wherever you need to go. This is the one you'll want to play with the most. We keep ours at about 7, seems to work best for us. However, sometimes you have to go down as low as 5 or 4 or as high as 10, 11, depending on the quality of what you're printing. If you're having a problem with the ribbon constantly breaking, most likely it is this setting, so you'll just want to mess with this until you get it to exactly what you like. Then you'll apply those changes and hit OK. Once you're in your Word document and you go to Control P to print, there we go, Control P, here is your printer. When you go into the printer properties, you'll see everything is saved. Right here, here, and so on. So once that's all saved, now you'll be able to print. And that's it. Hope that helps you. Thank you.